want that ball, don't you? I don't trust him.
He doesn't want to give up those balls.
He's driving his claws into that.
Sit. Sit.
He's sitting here snorting too. I don't trust him. Maybe a kitten, but he's got a quick hit.
He doesn't want to share. He doesn't want to share.
He's laying on the other one. I can't even get to it.